Welcome to Class 5 Mathematics NCERT Tenths and Hundredths Chapter 10 Part 4. Children, in the last part we have seen the explanation regarding tenths and hundredths. Now this is the last part of this, in which we will be seeing the few questions under practice time, page number 143. Money from different countries. Have you seen any notes or coins used in any other country? So, in other countries have different, like dollars in US, in Indian it is Indian rupees. Similarly, countries have their own currencies. So, no, have you seen that? If you have seen, you will write yes, and which currency you have seen, write that also. Okay. Now, Shivam Bank has a chart to show us how many Indian rupees we can get when we change the money of different countries. Now, there is a bank called Shivam Bank which has a chart. Chart means a tabular form to show us how many Indian rupees we can get when we change the money of different countries. So, if a dollar, if I change, what is the Indian rupees, we'll get it. Like this, different currencies, different countries, different currencies have different denominations, that is different Indian rupees changing into when we convert it. Okay. Now, let us see the tabular form. This is the tabular form in which this is the country, okay, Korea, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Hong Kong, South Africa, all this is the country, and the next column is money. In Korea it is 1, Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan rupee, Nepal, rupee only, Hong Kong dollar, HK means Hong Kong, SL means Sri Lanka, okay, South Africa rand, China yuan, UAE dirham, USA dollar, Germany euro, England pound. This is the money in these countries and change into Indian rupees. When you change 1 into Indian rupees, what is the Indian amount you are getting? 4 paisa. What is 0.04 means? 4 by 100, that is 4 paisa. And how much, if you change 1 Sri Lankan rupee, how much you will get in Indian rupees? 37 paisa. Similarly, if you change 1 pound, England pound, then you will get, if you change 1 pound, you will get 77 rupees 76 paisa. And this rate is according to 15th February 2008, not now, it's 2008 one. Okay, children, you understood what is this tabular column? Now, let us see the questions related to it. A. The money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees? The money of which the country will cost most in Indian rupees means, if you exchange, which one you will get the more. See, which one we will get the more? Directly you can say 77 is more, yes or no? So, the money of England will cost the most in Indian rupees. That is, if you exchange 1 pound, you are getting nearly 78 rupees. But if you exchange 1, what you are getting? 4 paisa. So, which is more? By seeing which is more, England pound is more. The next one, Mithun's uncle in America had sent him 10 USA dollars as a gift. So, what did he send it since? 10 USA dollars as a gift. Now, Mithun used 350 rupees for a school trip. How much money was left with him? Children, one more thing which you want to keep in mind is that, see, if this USA dollars you are having here, can you use that in the market? No, you have to go to a specified bank and then exchange the currency to the local currency. For example, if you are going to USA, your Indian rupees will not work there. At the exchange, okay, money exchange place, you have to go and exchange your Indian rupees to dollars. Similarly, when they are sending you dollars, that has to be exchanged in the bank from dollars to our Indian rupees, okay, children, and then only we can use it in our country. Now, money given to Mithun by his uncle is 10 USA dollars. And how much is 1 USA dollar? Come on, see the map and say how much is 1 USA dollar. Sorry, see the table and say how much is 1 USA dollar. 1 USA dollar is equals to 39 rupees 70 paisa. Okay, what is this? 39 rupees 70 paisa, that is 39.70. So, now how many dollars did he send? $10. So, for $10 if you exchange, what is the Indian amount you will be getting? 10 into 39.70. Understood what is this? This is, for example, you are having 10 chocolates. One chocolates cost 5 rupees. What is the cost of 10 chocolates? Means what you will do? 10 into 5. Similarly, this is money given by his uncle is $10, and each dollar when you convert, you will get 39 rupees 70 paisa. So, the money received by Mithun is 10 into 39.70. So, when you multiply it, so how you can multiply it? First, rupees into rupees, 10 into 39 plus 10 into 0.70. Okay. So, 10 into 39 is 390 plus 10 into 0.70 is what ma? 7. Yes or no? If you multiply 10 with 0.70, what you will get? 7. So, this if you are having a confusion, directly also you can multiply. Directly multiply 3970 into 10. 3970 into 10, and then what answer which you receive, you keep point after two numbers. From the right side, after two numbers, keep the point. You will get the same answer, 397. Okay, children? And this multiplication also, 10 into 0.70. So, no, 10 into 0.70. So, how you can do easily? 10 into 7, 70. One more 0 is there. That 0 I will keep, and after how many numbers dot is there, decimal point is there? 2 numbers. So, here. So, how much will I get? 7. Understood? Okay. Now, so 390 plus 7, you will get it as 397. So, two ways as I said, directly 10 into 3970, you can do that. Okay. And one more shortcut is, if you multiply with this, what you will get? One more 0, you will get this side. Yes or no? So, if you multiply 10 with 3970, 3970 multiplied by 10, one more 0 you will get. And after two numbers, you have to keep the decimal number point. So, after two numbers, decimal point. So, what is the answer I got? 397. Understood? This is the easiest way to do, and otherwise, you open it in this way, write it in this way, and then do and get the answer in this way. Now, money used by Mithun for a school trip. How much did he use? 350 rupees. So, how much money is he having? 397. Out of 397, he used 350. So, how much is left means what you will do? You will subtract. That is 397 minus 350. So, if you subtract, what is the answer you are getting? 47 rupees. Okay, children, understood how to do this? Shall we move to the next one? Now, Majid's father is working in UAE. He gets 1000 dirham as salary. Arun's father, who is working in Sri Lanka, gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. Who gets more Indian rupees as salary? First, understand the question. What is the question given? Majid's father is working in UAE. In UAE, what is the money? Dirham. How much he is getting? 1000 dirham as salary. And Arun's father, where is working? Is working in Sri Lanka. What is the rupee there? Sri Lankan rupees. What we call this as Sri Lankan rupees. SL rupee is given, that is Sri Lankan rupees. Now, who gets more Indian rupees as salary? They are asking. So, first what you will do? 1000 dirham, you will convert it to Indian rupees. 2000 Sri Lankan rupees also you will convert to Indian rupees, and then compare whose is more. Okay. So, let us start. Now, salary of Majid's father is 1000 Saudi Riyal, because he is working, where he is working? In UAE. UAE is also called as Saudi. Okay. 1000 Saudi Riyal. So, now it can be written as, so where is Saudi? Come on, see from this. Okay. UAE, where is UAE? Here is UAE. And what is the UAE amount when we exchange into Indian rupees? We will get 10 rupee 80 paisa for each dirham. So, for 1000, 1000 into 1080. So, 1000 into 1080, similarly you can split it as 1000 into 10 plus 1000 into 0.80. So, 1000 into 10 is 10,000 plus 1000 into 0.80 is 800. The same thing, children, if you can do directly also. How? See, this is 1080. Now, I am not keeping the decimal points. Let's, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So, how many zeros I should add? 1, 2, 3 zeros I should say, and then decimal point after 2 numbers from right. So from 2 numbers from right, so here I'll put the decimal point. Okay, so what is this? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So when I convert, how much I am getting? 10,800 rupees. 10,800 rupees. That is the shortcut which you will follow. Otherwise, the normal way, how you will do 1000 into 10. Okay, because 10.80 can be written as 10 plus 0.80. That is 1000 into 10 plus 1000 into 0.80. 1000 into 10 is 10,000. Okay, without calculation we can do 3 zeros, one more zero you will keep, fourth, and this also without calculation you can do. First 80 is there. 80 if I multiplied with this, how many I am getting? Tell me. 8,000, 1, 2, 3 zeros this side, this is 1 0, and then after 2 points, after 2 numbers points, so after 2 numbers decimal points, so 800. So understood how I got 800? Otherwise, what is the normal process? The normal multiplication you will be doing. Okay, children. Now this is 10,800. See, here only I told you 10,800. Once you know what is the process of doing, you can do it in this way, children. Directly you can put zeros and point and then find out the answer. Now, salary of Majid's father in Indian rupees is 10,800. Okay. Now, we will find out Arun's father. Salary of Arun's father is 200 Sri Lankan rupees. So, for Sri Lankan rupees, how much? See, here it is given 0.37, that is 37 paisa. So, which is more? Tell me, 10 rupee 80 paisa is more or 37 paisa? 10 rupee 80 paisa is more. He gets only, for 1 Sri Lankan dollar, he gets only 37 paisa of Indian rupees. So, this we can write it as, 2000 into 0.37. So, that is 2000 into 37 paisa. 2000 into 37 paisa is 74,000 paisa. This is in paisa. Paisa you have to convert it into rupees now. How you will convert? Paisa to rupee means what we said? Divide by 100. Rupees to paisa means multiply. But when you are doing into this, when you are converting into rupees, you will divide. See, here only we did 37 paisa it was. So, it's no 0.37 rupee this is. 37 paisa. So, that is 37 paisa. How we got? We will multiply by 100. Here what we did? Divide by 100, that is rupees 740. Otherwise, one more way what you will do? Directly from here, okay, 37 into 2. How much you will get? 37 2s are? 2 7s are 14, 4, 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, that is there 7. And then how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. I will place 1, 2, 3 zeros. And then point after 2 numbers. Point after 2 numbers. So, did I get 740 rupees? Yes, understood? So, both the ways I am telling you. Therefore, whose father, who gets more money? Majid's father gets more Indian rupees, because per month he gets only 740 when we convert into Indian rupees. But when we convert Majid's father's amount into Indian rupees, he is getting 10,800. Now, let's move to the next one. Lina's auntie brought a present for her from China. It cost 30 yuan. Find what it costs in Indian rupees. Now, what is the question, children, here? Lina's auntie brought a gift for her from China. So, in China, what is the currency? It is yuan. And each yuan, if you exchange, how much you will get? 5 rupee 50 paisa in Indian currency. So, it costed 30 yuan. It seems to buy there, it costed 30 yuan. Find what it costs in Indian rupees. Now, they are asking you to convert it to Indian rupees and say what is the amount it will cost if you buy the same thing in India. So, the cost given to Lina is how much? 30 yuan. It is given here. Now, we know that 1 yuan equal to 5 rupee 50 paisa. What is 1 yuan? 1 yuan equal to 5 rupee 50 paisa. So, how much for 30 yuan? How much it will be? You will get it 30 into 5.50. Yes or no? Because the cost of that is 30 yuan, and for 1 yuan if you exchange you will get 5 rupee 50 paisa. So for 30 yuan, 30 into 5 rupee 50 paisa. So here same way 2 times you can do it. How? Either 30 into 5.50 directly you can multiply and keep it, okay, then also you will get the same answer. Otherwise split it. How you will split? 30 into 5 plus 30 into 0.50. So 30 into 5 will be 150 plus 30 into 0.50 is 15. And one more shortcut what we can say for this is, see, 30 rupees, yes or no, 30 into 50 paisa. How many paisas will make 1 rupee? 250 paisas will make 1 rupee, yes or no? So if 50 paisas are there, it will, how many rupees it is? 15 rupees, half of this. Directly you can say that, okay. The other short trick, this, so like this you can do. Otherwise how you can do? Directly from here. See, for example, I'll do you and show you. Say 55 into 3 first I will do. 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 1 carried, so that is 16. Now how many zeros are there? 1 2, so I'll keep those 2 zeros here, 1 2. Then next point after 2 numbers. So all this if you do, then also you will get the same thing, decimal point after 2 numbers from the right side. So 165 rupees. Did I get the same 165 rupees? Yes. So what is the cost of that present which she brought from China in Indian rupees? It is 165 rupees. Next one. Asta wants some Hong Kong dollars and 1. So she wants to change the Indian currency into Hong Kong dollars and 1. Now the first question is, how many 1 can she change for rupees 4 and for rupees 400? Okay. Now first 1, what is the 1 currency? It is Korea's currency, and if you change it, how many rupees you need to change? For 1 you need 4 paisa. If you want 1 you need 4 paisa. So no, for 1 rupees 0.04, that equal to 4 paisa. So now we have to change per how many rupees? 4 rupees. As this is in paisa, we'll change this also into paisa. 1 rupee is how many paisa? 100 paisa. So 4 rupee is 400 paisa. Simple. So same thing I have written here. See, 1 rupee is 100 paisa. So 4 rupee will become 400 paisa. Now one more thing you remember here, children. See, here what I wrote, 1 is equals to, I am writing shortcut here, 1 is equal to 4 paisa. Yes or no? So for how many paisas I have to find now? 400 paisas I have to find. Yes or no? So 400 paisa, how many 1 I will get? So what I will do? 400 divided by 4. If I do 100 I will get. Understood what I did here? If 1 is equal to 4 paisa, okay, 1 chocolate is equal to 5 rupees. For 100 rupees, how many chocolates you will get? So what you will do? 100 divided by this 20, you will get it. Similarly, I did the same thing. This was in rupees and this was in paisa. So I converted this also into paisa. 1 is 4 paisa. 0.04 means 4 paisa. Or this multiplied by 100, you will get it. Rupees when you convert to paisa multiplied by 100. That you keep it in your mind. Paisa when you are changing to rupees, you will divide by 100. Okay, so 4 rupees if I convert into paisa, I'll get 400 paisa. So 4 paisa is equal to 1. So 400 paisa is equal to 400 divided by 4, that equal to 101. Now, similarly for 400 also I'll do the same thing. Convert this into paisa. So 400 into 100, that is equal to 40,000 paisa. Now same, 4 paisa is 1. So 40,000 paisa is equal to 40,000 divided by 4, that equal to 10,001. Okay children, understood? Now next, how many Hong Kong dollars can she change for rupees 508? Now they are asking how many Hong Kong dollars. 1 Hong Kong dollar is how much? Check out here. Hong Kong dollar is 5 rupee 10 paisa. 1 Hong Kong dollar is 5 rupee 10 paisa. So for 508 rupees, how many Hong Kong dollars will she get? Now first convert this 500 rupee 10 paisa into paisa. Directly we can say it is 510 paisa. But how I got 510 paisa? I have given here. See, 5 rupee means 1 rupee 100 paisa. So 5 rupee is 5 into 100, that is 500 plus 10 paisa is there. So 500 plus 10, 510 paisa. Understood children? So 3 rupee 10 paisa is how many paisas? 310 paisa. 4 rupee is 400 paisa. 4 rupee 50 paisa is 450 paisa. like that directly you can say that. Now total money what she has is 508 rupees. Now she has to take this 508 rupees and convert it into Hong Kong dollars. That is the question here. So now as this is in paisa, this also I'll write into paisa. Into paisa means what I'll do? Multiply. So 508 rupee into 100 paisa, that equal to 50,800 paisa. Now everything I have converted into paisa. Now 1 Hong Kong dollar is equal to 510 paisa. What is the Hong Kong dollar? 1 Hong Kong dollar is 510 paisa. Now I need to know for how much? 50,800 paisa is equal to how much? So what I will do? If you divide this, you will get it. Yes or no? The same as we did in the before. 50,800 divided by 510. When I divide it, see here ma, what I got? 99 I got, and 310 paisa is remaining. Okay. What is this 99 here? Hong Kong dollars, because I've converted this is into HKD. Yes or no? How HKD means Hong Kong dollars. So what I'll get? 99 HKD plus 310 paisa is remaining with her. Understood children what I did here? So now 310 paisa means what is 310 paisa? 300 paisa plus 10 paisa. So 300 paisa means 3 rupees plus 10 paisa, that is 3 rupees 10 paisa. So what I can say? Asta can change 99 HKD, and for 3 rupee 10 paisa will I get any HKD? No, because 1 HKD is 510, so it is less. So and 3 rupee 10 paisa is left with her. Understood this all of you? What did I did here? I have to convert it into Hong Kong dollars. So first 1 Hong Kong dollar is how much has seen? It is 5 rupee 10 paisa. When I converted into total into paisa, I got it as 510 paisa. Okay, I got it as 510 paisa. So now for 508 rupees I want. So 508 rupees if I convert into paisa, it is 50,800 paisa. So 1 HKD is 510 paisa. So 50,800 paisa is how many HKDs? So if I divide it, I will get it. So when I divided, I got it as 99 HKD and 310 is remaining. Again I can't go further, so I stopped it there. So 310 paisa means 3 rupees 10 paisa. So she will get 99 HKD and 310 paisa. Or this can be done like this also. Now 5080 paisa is equal to how much na? So that you can write it as 510 into, one second children, 510 into 99, yes, plus 310. Can I do it like this? Yes, this can be written in this way also. Nearby I have taken it as 510 into 99 plus 310. You multiply this, add with 310, you will get 50,800 only. So 510 means how much it is? 1 HKD. So this I can replace it as 1 HKD. So 1 HKD into 99. 1 HKD into 99 is 99 HKD. That is 99 Hong Kong dollars plus 310 paisa. But if you do like this, how to do till nearby, it will be difficult for you. That's why I have told it in this division method, children. Okay. Now, Kiran went shopping with rupees 200. Look at the bill. The shopkeeper forgot to put the point correctly in prices. Put the point in correct place and find out the total amount of the bill. So he went for shopping, it seems, with rupees 200, with amount of 200. Look at the bill. If you see this, you feel that it's more than 200. The 6,000 rupees, 2,700 rupees, 5,000, 1,250 and so on. But what happened, it seems, the shopkeeper forgot to put the decimal points. That is the point. Point means decimal point, it seems. Now they are asking you to put correctly the decimal point. In prices, where the decimal points will come? After two numbers from the right side. So what is this? Okay, price in rupees, 12 rupee 50 paisa, next one 50 rupee 25 paisa, 27 rupees 25 paisa, and this is 60 rupees. If you add overall, it will be 150 rupees. Understood children how to do? Simple. Now next one, which city is cool? I live in Himachal. There the temperature in winter is 2 degrees Celsius. Sometimes water in pipes freezes into ice. But in Rajasthan, where I live, the temperature reaches 48 degrees Celsius. Here it is very hot. one has to walk kilometers to get water. So here they have shown you two variations, one which is very cool and one which is very hot. So what they are saying here is when the temperature is going down, that is when it's reducing, it will be very cool, and when it is going very high, it will be very hot. Understood the difference what they want to show here in the numbers? This is 2 degrees, so it is very cool, even the water freezes into ice. And here what it is given, 48 degrees. So when it is going high, how is the weather? The weather is very hot. When it is going low, the weather will become too cool. Understood, children, how we see the weather in Celsius? Now a map is given for you. At different places different temperatures have been noted. The temperature in a city was noted at 3 p.m. on January 2008. Now this map showing different places with temperature at 3 p.m. that is afternoon 3 p.m. on January 2008. Now let's see the first question. Which place had the highest temperature at 3 p.m. and which place is the coolest at 3 p.m. So highest means what you should see? The number should be more. So when you see the number which is more, see Mumbai is more at 3 p.m. that is 35.1 degrees Celsius. So no, others are 33, 25 and so on. So which is highest? Mumbai is highest. And which is lowest, that is which is coolest? Srinagar is coolest because it is 8.1 degrees Celsius. Now, second one, how much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that in Srinagar? So now they are asking how much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that in Srinagar. So first Mumbai temperature. What is Mumbai's temperature? 35.1 degrees Celsius. And next Srinagar it is 8.1 degrees Celsius. So how much higher means what you will do? You will subtract that. So 35.1 minus 8.1, that is 1.1 minus 1 0. So 35 minus 8, 27. 27 degrees Celsius is higher from that in Srinagar. Third one, how many degrees will the temperature need to rise for it to reach 40 degrees Celsius in Thiruvananthapuram? Thiruvananthapuram, what is the degrees? It is 33.5. So now they are asking how much should it rise to reach 40 degrees. So how much if you add to 33.5, you will get 40 degrees. So what you will do for that? 40 minus 33.5 if you do, you will get it. So 40 minus 33.5 is 6.5. And when you are doing subtraction, always remember the decimal points. There no, for 40 no decimal is there, but what you will keep? 40.00 and 33.5. So 33.5. Understood how you will keep it? Okay, so decimal points should be kept correctly. 0 minus 5, will it go? No. So you have to borrow from here. So this will become 3, this will become 9, this will become 10. So this will become 5 dot 9 minus 3, how much? 9 minus 3, if you remove 9 minus 3, it is 6. So 6.5 degrees Celsius. Understood, children, how to do that? Now, how much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from that of Chennai? Now, first, the temperature of Kolkata. How much is temperature of Kolkata? 26.6 degrees Celsius. Next, Chennai. How much is the temperature of Chennai? 29.9 degrees Celsius. So, how much lower means what you will do? You will subtract 29.9 from 26.6. So, 29.9 minus 26.6. So, 9 minus 6, 3. Next, 29 minus 26, 3. So, it is 3.3 degrees Celsius. That is, the temperature of Kolkata is 3.3 degrees lower, less than that from Chennai. Now, next question. The temperature in these cities was also noted at 3 a.m. on the same day. Look at the table and answer the following questions. Now we have seen for 3 p.m. Now 3 a.m. is given for you. Now which place has the lowest temperature at 3 a.m.? Imagine yourself to be there and describe how you would feel. So this one you will write for your own. Only the this one we will see 3 a.m. which is having the lowest. The lowest is where? See, Srinagar, because it's only 1.3. And at 1.3 degrees Celsius, how it will be? It will be very cool. Water will be frozen to ice, and what the people will wear? They will wear woolen clothes and sit near fire and keep themselves warm. What is the difference between the temperatures at 3 p.m. and 3 a.m. in Chennai and in Bhopal also? Now first, the difference of temperature in Chennai we will see. Okay, in Chennai it is 21.1. Okay, where at 3 a.m. 3 p.m. in the map you have to see it is 29.9 degrees Celsius. So what is the difference means what you will do? You will subtract this 29.9 minus 21.1. So 9 minus 1, 8. 29 minus 21, 8. So it is 8.8 degrees Celsius. Now next, the difference in temperature in Bhopal. They ask for Bhopal also. 3 p.m. is 25.9 and 3 a.m. see it is 9.8. So difference means what you will do? You will subtract 9 minus 8, 1. 25 minus 9, 16. So it is 16.1 degrees Celsius. Okay children, understood? By this we have completed our chapter tens and hundreds. I hope you all understood all the points in this. Next, we'll meet with next new chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.